everybody, welcome back. So we're going to be planning for the week of the 7th, oh my goodness, through something. The 7th through the 13th. Cool. So this is my catch-all planner. And this is from the penny pages. This is the pen tricks planner. If you hear things in the background, we are doing chores around the house. My husband's outside mowing the grass. My dishwasher is going and my Cricut is going right now, printing out a couple things. But anyway, we're gonna roll with the punches. So the kit I'm going to be using this week is Bed of Roses. This is a this was the TPC Nation subscription, but it's no longer available. I went ahead and already put my date dots on and put the strips on here. I have my sidebar here with my Tipsy Dog scripts, and I'm going to be using the rest of the Mandy Lynn Plans week stickers. So let's just get on down into it. So not a lot is going on this week actually, which is kind of nice, kind of good. Life will be hopefully going back to normal a little bit. My husband has been home. He got home this week, and then he has actually been home with us. So we have been soaking in all the family time as we possibly can, because next week he goes back to work. So that's how life is, I guess. So we're just doing what we can. My daughter is outside with her dad. She is having a good old time while he mows the grass. And she's playing with chalk. So I figured I got a few minutes or a little while to myself, so I am gonna get a good amount of filming done while they're outside. So, but I'll tell you what happened this week. This week was actually really cool and fun. Well, yesterday was fun. We need to add a couple of things for this week. So we're going to do that on camera today. And I just thought about it. So we had change of command yesterday. I have not been good about going to the gym. So yeah. And we went out to lunch. And then my lovely husband took me to to Books A Million, and we got books. Or he bought me a couple books. Got 4 books. So that was pretty fun. And there goes my dryer. So there is that. So that's all I need to add for this week. All right, back to next week. So we're gonna lay down my sidebar here. So if you are new, my sidebar is my household, my daughter, myself and my husband, and on one. And then I am going to be doing health and ideas, but in ideas I'm going to be putting down routines. So I'm trying to keep track of I want to build better habits, so I'm trying to build better habits. One of my habits I'm trying to build up again is reading, because I love reading, and I'm going to be bringing back books to this channel. So my channel is actually changing this month completely. Like the name of my channel, and then some of the content. So I am slowly bringing in new content. You guys have not seen that yet because, again, it's coming in slowly. But it will be coming. So I'm super excited about that. Evie, come here. And my dog is whining. One of my dogs is outside, and then one of them is roaming free in the house. And she is not happy that her dad and sisters are outside. So there we go. That's my sidebar. Next, I'm going to put down these full boxes. Just a little bit of everywhere. I definitely like putting them down in my daughter's area because we don't really have a lot going on for her right now, but that's okay. We do have a play date this week on Tuesday, so that will be uber fun. We also have, or we're getting ready, you know, for Halloween and stuff. I gotta go get my daughter her costume. I am not on the ball this year with that. Kind of a bad mommy, I guess. I'm not putting these anywhere. There's like no rhyme or reason, so there's that. I have my scripts here from not from Tipsy Dog. These are from Black Mountain Plans. If you use NEB20, you can get 20% off your entire order. And there we go. So now we're just going to be laying out the day by day. So Monday is trash day. I'm definitely going to be marking that like I do every week. It makes life easier for me. So we have trash day. We change wax in my wax melters. I don't think, actually, you know what, I do want to clean bedrooms this week. I'm going to try to do that on, oh, come on. Try to do that on Wednesday because Tuesday's going to kind of be busy. Oh gosh. Okay, whatever. So we're going to do that on Wednesday. And then Saturday is a laundry day. And that sticker sheet is done. And we do change sheets on Saturday. Okay. Now for her, we have a play date. And I don't have the time yet. I'm waiting back for one of my friends to get back to me. So we're just going to put that down. And I do need to do 2 days this week. She has been bugging me to go to the library. We try to go every day, but we haven't. This week we just haven't had time with Daddy coming home, so we're gonna go to the library this week twice. We might go, actually, I am gonna go ahead and put down the library on Monday and Tuesday, or Wednesday, because I don't necessarily know what we're doing there yet. I have therapy on Monday. And I think, yeah, that's all I have this week. And I don't have anything else right now to put down. I'm gonna wait to put my exercises and stuff and my habits down here, but oh, I did forget this. I forgot mow grass. With all the rain we're getting, we're in an HOA, so they will get us for it. So we're just trying to keep up with it until fall really hits. But ultimately, that is it for this plan with me. It was quick, it was simple, it was easy, and I'm happy with it. Again, things are starting to calm down a little bit. But with the holidays coming up, I'm okay with it calming down right now because we're about to be ramped up tenfold with everything. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.